Hi! In front of me is SONY XPERIA Z5 Premium, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, select two apps, for example Play Store and DevCheck. Now you need to click on the square button over here and hold one of those apps. After that, drag it to the top and let go. Then click on the other one. And as you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards. Come on. And click home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!